Drinking coconut water daily offers numerous health benefits. It is rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. Coconut water has been used since ancient times for refreshment and treating various ailments. It is not only delicious but also promotes healthy skin and hair. For the best benefits, opt for fresh coconut water instead of canned. Benefits of drinking coconut water daily. 1. Hydrates your body. Coconut water is a natural refresher, packed with electrolytes and carbohydrates to quench thirst and boost energy. It prevents dehydration, especially in summer, and helps with diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. Studies show coconut water is an excellent hydrating drink, often recommended by experts over other beverages. 2. Maintains cardiac health. Cardiac health is one of the primary concerns of every person. Coconut water is an excellent source for your heart health. Coconut water reduces the extra or bad cholesterol level, and it increases the metabolism level of lipid, which works like a cardiac guard. As well as coconut water contains antioxidants and minerals, which makes your heart health strong. Its anti-inflammatory component lowers the risk of a sudden heart attack. 3. Beneficial for losing weight. For a simple weight loss remedy, try coconut water. It's a low-calorie, delicious beverage with antioxidants that detoxify your body and promote a healthy intestine, aiding weight loss. Unlike sugary drinks, coconut water is naturally sweet. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily, ensuring it's fresh and without added sugar. 4. Great fruit of antioxidants. Coconut water is a tasty, refreshing source of antioxidants that reduce thirst and flush out harmful chemicals from your body. Relieving stress and stomach issues. It protects healthy cells and decreases toxins. 5. Fight against diabetes. Though coconut water is beneficial in blood pressure, so is it is helpful for diabetes patients. Many studies have been proven, which was initially done on animals, and after drinking coconut water, they have sufficient sugar levels and blood pressure levels in their body. Coconut water is a perfect magnesium source, which is responsible for insulin activity and the sugar level of the human body. A diabetic patient must drink 1 cup of coconut water in a day, not more than that. 6. Useful for kidneys. You have heard many times that whenever a person has kidney issues or a stone in the kidney, then he must drink more liquid as much as possible. There are many choices available, but coconut water is also a fantastic source for preventing kidney stones and other kidney problems. Kidney stones are painful, but studies show coconut water can help reduce them. Composed of 90% water and essential minerals, coconut water offers numerous health benefits. This natural, widely available drink can alleviate various health issues and promote overall wellness.